Hello beautiful people and welcome to another beautiful villa. This one is very unique, I assure you. So it's 195 million euro and I am about to show you such an amazing refurbished villa here in Atalaya Golf. It's 5 bedrooms. So I'm about to show you something very nice about the view itself, a private pool, 1 parking spot, and some very nice touches. Okay, so far so good. So let's take a look around and let me know your opinions about it. I actually do love it, and I'll tell you the main selling points. First of all, it's a golf lover's place. Second of it, it's a very good neighborhood. I'll show you the drone footages and all the stuff around. So let's see. What is not to love about the playground always? Let's see it all around. So here we have a playing ground and some gym, personal gym, looking to the pool side. So yeah, this is the hangout area. I like it. Actually, most of the houses, this is what I love about, because like a guest, you need to be entertained.
Are you not entertained?
Okay, so this was the amazing villa. I totally love it because it's very close to the golf, and I love the touches of the refurbishing. I assure you will like it. So thank you for watching, and please, if you watch until now, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.